Hey guys, today I am making sizzling prawns with mashed cauliflower. So let's start the process. In a bowl, add 4 tiger prawns, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, some finely chopped coriander leaves. Combine all together. Now adding 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Coat the prawns with the marination and set aside. You can also marinate this for 3 hours. And now I am making vegetable stock. Boil water. Add 1 small sliced onion, some roughly chopped beans and carrot, 3 garlic cloves. Sprinkle some salt. And now cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the vegetables and keep the stock aside. Next step is to make mashed cauliflower. Boil water in a pan. Now add the cauliflowers. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then strain and keep aside. In a same pan, add 2 tablespoons butter. Goes in 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Add cauliflower. Saute for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon salt. Saute for 2 minutes. To this I am adding 1 cup milk. Mix well. Goes in 1 cup vegetable stock. Bring it to boil. Keep mashing the cauliflower. And now I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons grated cheddar cheese. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. And now I am going to add corn flour mix. 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with some water. Give this a very good mix. Keep mashing the cauliflower and then switch off the flame and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Place the marinated prawns and fry for 2 minutes on one side on medium flame. Now turn and cook for 2 minutes on the other side. Add little water if required. Now the prawns is ready to serve. In a serving plate, place mashed cauliflower. Now top up with fried prawns and garnish with some sliced onions. Spicy prawns with cauliflower mash, the most weeknight dinner, is ready to serve. Did you make a recipe? Tag at shimis.kitchen on Instagram so we can find you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.